Shopping is an essential part in our day-to-day life. And going to the shop to make purchases both on-site and online is usually easier when we know what we are going to do there already. Well, welcome back to our channel this day. If you're searching for the best deals, top products, and expert shopping tips, you've come to the right place. Well, today we will have a closer look at Etsy shopping platform and see a few reasons why one will decide to stop selling on Etsy. We will be back after the short intro that follows. Thinking of the fact that several people sell on Etsy, while some people prefer to run away from them. Why would someone decide to stop selling on Etsy? However, these are 5 reasons why many sellers stop selling on Etsy. They are: 1. High fees. Etsy charges listing fees, transaction fees, and payment processing fees, which can eat into profits. 2. Increased competition. The platform has grown significantly, leading to saturation in many product categories. This can make it harder to stand out. 3. Algorithm changes. Changes in Etsy's search algorithm can affect visibility and sales, making it challenging to maintain consistent revenue. 4. Time commitment. Managing an Etsy shop requires continuous effort in listing products, customer service, and marketing, which can be overwhelming. 5. Quality control issues. Sellers may face challenges in maintaining quality, especially if they scale up production or outsource. Well, that is all for now, but if you are looking for more feasible reasons, then we have a written article that provides more than 10 reasons why people stop selling on Etsy. You can get the link in the description below. And that is all for today. If you found this video helpful for your shopping experience, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get more videos as such.